got a friend for the homie. I got a little time, you really want to get to know.
Listen, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bro?
It's Pirateshipradio.
You know what it is, man.
Sir, what up, baby? She got YaGuy1Eye, Pirateshipradio, Power 103.5. You know how we get it in, baby. You got Mack June sit up in the building. I got the Zoe gang in the building behind me. We get it in. Check it out, baby. Zoe gang in the building, right? Oh!
Scott. I'm on Mack June TV. We down here in the station, you know what I mean, / booth / studio, all of that, you know what I mean, getting it in how we do, you know what I mean. Shout out to the homeboy Bug, shout out to the homeboy T.
Let's do this talking. Pirateshipradio #1, 6 to 10 Saturday. You know what it is. Built this from the ground up to the #1 station on the weekend, #1 show, period. In Oklahoma City. You know what I'm saying? 1s and 2s, DJ 1 Hour. We do skits. You know what I'm saying? All of that. TikTok, YaGuy1Eye, Octavian 2972, J Sky. You know what I'm saying? We all on this, bro.
Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna go with their heads with this one.
Blazing hip hop and R&B, DJ Khaled, Nas, Jay-Z, Sorry, Not Sorry, Stevie D. What you think about that?
Hey, yeah, I like it.
Yeah, well, okay, so it's a big debate. Oh, you already knew I was going with that one.
Hey, if you say don't record that shit straight up and down, then I ain't gonna record that shit straight up and down on there, bro.
Me either.
Yeah, you know what the hell is going on, boy?
Yeah.
Pimpin'.
It's a good life.